guys, we're gonna vlog today.
Nabawi naman niya ako.
Ano? Wait. I don't know where's... This is my computer. But I don't know... Wait, this is the file that it's at Tabilan. So guys, I just wanted a Tabilan. No, this is not what I'm saying. Tabilan.
Kanina pa ako sobrang creepy.
Jump scare.
Kung bata na to walang awa.
What do you mean? Nasaan? Ate Art, nasaan yung gina-upload ko?
Malay ko.
Na yung ano, yung jump scare.
I don't know.
So, saan ba? Turuan mo nga ako. Ay, halika. Ang vlog ako. Tignan guys. Ay, teka. Okay. I-pause mo.
Puso na, puso.
Hindi, wag na.
Ay, dinilit mo ata.
Hindi ko dinilig.
Wala pa.
Ayun oh.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa tapos.
Ali. Uy,
Download. Eh, kinlose mo pala eh.
gusto yung jump scare eh.
Eh, wala.
Bayang lahat?
Sino ba ang boss?
Ako.
Hoy. Ako ang boss.
Yan. And, i-run ko ba? Yes, guys. Warning. Huwag ka makinig. Okay. Up. Start or no? Uy. Okay. Ganda. Okay, wait. Let me pause this. Para mukhang ako sa game.
Saka galing, tinatawag.
Ano ito? Alam ko. Computer ko. Yeah, this is my computer, guys. Wait, anyways, if there's some of you subscribers are wondering that I will show my face at 1,000 subscribers. No, I already showed my face last time. Okay? Okay, this is the... Oh yeah, I'm lagging. I... See? I look like in the game, right? Look. Oh my god. Wait, yeah, not like this. See, nagulat kayo, no? See? Yun. Buntik na ulit. May camera view now. But, ayan. Ito yung nilalaro ko. Uy, nangangati lang pa ako, guys. Guys, I just practiced Tagalog. Yes, I do. Last time I practiced. See? Okay. See? I will not give up on my computer. I'm not yet done. Ayun. Yun. luto na. Ganito talaga. Teka, teka. Ano may ads? Teka guys. Guys, ay, teka. Ano ba tong mga to? First time ko nag-vlog ng ganyan. So, naisip ko ganito. Kaya. Iya. Garon. Yan. Huh? Yung confusion niya din. Three, two, one. Yeah, baby. It's a baby. Baby Dipsy. You know. Oops, sorry if it's loud. If it's like that. Okay, headphones warning. Lakas siya. Try natin ito. I'm gonna reveal my voice here. I mean my mouse. Para hindi ako nahihirapan. Yeah, some of my new subscribers is sorry. Yes, that's the end. So guys, I have to say goodbye after. So, bye. So after that, I'm gonna reveal my fixing 8 minutes. Yes, this is 7 minutes. 8. Yeah, this is my face. So guys, bye.